So millennials, right, are turning to TikTok, right, to search for travel destinations, beauty products, right, and more stuff. So here are a variety of things that I did research for you guys. So millennials are looking for food recipes and cooking tips, fitness workouts, home decor and DIY projects, fashion trends, entertainment, trending music, movies, K-dramas, TV shows, right, and who's the latest star, and health and wellness advice, tips on mental health, self-care and wellness practices. They also look for travel guides and destination recommendation, and even look at the latest unboxings of the latest gadgets and tech products, and educational content such as tutorials and informational videos on a wide range of topics. So in general, TikTok diverse content makes it a go-to platform for discovering trends and getting recommendations. To skyrocket your video views, right? So here are some steps, right, to do it. I'm an expert in SEO, so I'm going to show you how I do it. So first thing first, you go to type Creator Search Insights on your search bar, okay, and then you press View, and then you will see all this. You see, like suggested topics, trending topics, and Olympic Games, and even the content gaps and searches by followers. So about 1,000 followers, right, then you can get this content gap information and the searches by followers, if I'm not wrong. So don't worry if you don't have any information on this one, but just using the suggested topics, right, you can actually have some ideas already on what kind of topics to create. So if you're a hair salon and you're thinking of creating some video contents, you type hairstyle on the search bar and all these keywords will come out, okay? So you can look at medium length hairstyle ideas, easy hair tutorials. So all these can be your keywords and topics, okay, for your videos. So if you're still wondering whether you should do your TikTok shop or still wondering whether to do video marketing, right, here's some information just to let you know. Video marketing, right, offers a high return on investment with platforms like Instagram, TikTok. Creating and sharing video content can be budget friendly while providing significant exposure and engagement. Consumers prefer video. 72%, right, of people prefer learning about a product or service through video rather than text. Cater to your audience preference and deliver content in a format they love. Video marketing, right, drives results. Brand using video sees 49% faster revenue growth and 80% more conversions. So imagine what it could do for you. And video also grab attention and keep it. Study shows that social media posts with videos receive 1,200% more shares than those without. Engage your audience effectively and stand out in crowded feeds. Video content, right, boosts your SEO. So website with videos are 53 times more likely to rank on the first page of Google, improve your search visibility, and drive more organic traffic to your site with engaging videos. So video marketing is incredibly versatile, from product demos to behind the scenes content. You can use video to tell your brand's story in creative and compelling ways. So if you are interested to know more about how to create unique video content, okay, and you do not know how to do it, right, I can help you to craft a tailored video marketing strategy that aligns with your brand goals and audience. So let's discuss how to implement video effectively and start seeing results. So I don't know whether you realized it as well, Google has really started featuring TikTok videos in the search results. So if you're an entrepreneur or brand looking to grow your TikTok presence and develop effective content strategies, DM me to learn how to enhance your account and drive success. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!